Dental health actually starts as soon as you get your pet, even if they're itty bitty puppy to a 1-year-old, 5-year-old, whatever it is. The fact is that your pet's dental health starts with you. There's a couple things you can actually do at home that are going to help your pet's dentition in the long run. So first things first, actually brushing their teeth. The second thing is things like an enzymatic flush or almost like a mouthwash form for dogs. And the third thing is getting routine dental cleanings. Now, the first one, as far as brushing your dog's teeth, this is something that if you haven't done this with your dog ever, you definitely want to start doing that. As far as the frequency, definitely start with doing it once a week. Why is that? What we want to build up to is possibly 2 to 3 times a week. So the reason for brushing your dog's teeth is the fact that same just like in people, we want to reduce the chance of dental calculus building up, also reduce bacteria from residing in the mouth because the mouth is a really popular place for them to want to live. Now, when you first start out, your dog obviously may not like it and their gums might be really sensitive if they have severe gingivitis. Some dog kits actually come with either a finger brush or a softer bristle brush for your pet's teeth. So obviously start with whatever is most comfortable for your pet that they will tolerate. Second thing, make sure that you do use doggy specific and cat specific toothpaste if you are able to do that. There are some byproducts in human toothpaste that are really irritating to the pet's gastrointestinal tract. So this is really important. Second thing you can do at home is actually an enzymatic flush. Really what that is more or less a doggy mouthwash. And I usually tend to recommend the ones that are tasteless. That way they don't have an aversion to any flavors like mint or whatnot. Now, once you've done those things at home, it's still recommended for your pet to get a dental cleaning done at least once a year. If your pet, usually up until about a year and a half, they don't really have much dental calculus that we have to deal with. So usually about the 1.5 year range is where most pets are starting to undergo their first dental procedure. Now, this does require general anesthesia. So most hospitals will do preoperative blood work, obviously physical exam on your pet to really make sure your pet is in optimal health. So things like general anesthesia aren't increasing the risk for your pet. Sometimes extractions are needed. Knowing what's happening below the gum line is actually really important. So your veterinarian will likely recommend dental x-rays in order to know truly what is the health of your pet's teeth. So just to make sure we're recapping. So there are things you can do at home to really help out with your pet's dentition and oral health. Things like brushing your pet's teeth, as well as the enzymatic flush that you can put in their water, is getting them a yearly dental cleaning with your veterinarian under general anesthesia. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you are a subscriber, turn on the notification bell at the top, and every Sunday an episode drops so that anytime I throw out a video that you guys are gonna get notified. It's really an honor to be able to educate you guys on things that maybe you didn't know about your pet or things that kind of get the wheels turning. So have a really great Sunday and I will see you guys next week.